Alright, hey, what's going on? HC Ryan D here. I'm going to be showing how to use a camera in Active Worlds. The camera command, not the object. So, this is my testing ground here. We're going to go up to the top, and then we'll find out how to use cameras. Alright, so we're up here. Let's check out the cameras that I've already set up. So apparently let's go spy on the owner. He's not here because it's actually me. So we can click this sign here that it says activate camera, so that just sets your camera view back to your default like person view. So let's go back from that, and we can go and spy on the secretary. And there she is, not doing anything wrong, I guess. And if we click on this big Windows 10 window, we can see the main offices. They're all doing their jobs. And if we click over here, we can see the waiting room, and that's our name popping through the wall, because we're actually right in this room over here. And so we can click this sign and get back. And then the last place we can go is over here. This is the stairway that I walked up, and if I click this sign, I can get back to my normal view. So I'm gonna show how this all works, and I'm assuming that you know like the basics of Active Worlds, how to move around, how to build, stuff like that. So this is the camera. It spies on the secretary. It doesn't actually have to be a camera like that. It just looks cool. Fine if it's just a different object, but anyway. So all it has for programming is really simple. Just create name S5. So that makes this camera is called S5 now. So if we go back to the controlling room in here, you have to go through that door because it doesn't open. It's only for staff. So if we go, where's the one? Secretary. Okay, if we go in here. If we were to click it just normally, like left click, it would take me to the secretary's room, and you don't have to worry about the snack here. This is causing the light. It's causing the blue light that's in this room. So anyway, click on this. It says create scale 0.5. That's because the laptop was too big. I didn't like it. It didn't fit on the desk. So it says activate camera target equals S6. Camera location equals S5. So that can be however you want it to be. So that the activate trigger, that's so when you click on it, it'll take you to the secretary's office. And so the camera target S6 and camera location S5. So there are actually two objects in the secretary's room in order for this to work. So there's this object here. Its name is S5. So this is the location. This is where you're looking from. So, and then if we look over here, the seat. Okay, her seat is where you're looking at. So this is the camera target. It says create name S6. If you remember that, it'll when we went in here and looked at the programming for this laptop, it said create target equals S6. That is the seat, so that's what you're looking at, and then location S5. And I'm going to show you something. If you go here, and why? Anyway, oh, what? Okay. Anyway, if we actually move the seat around, we will go wherever it moves. But it's not very nice because it's the secretary's seat. And if we go to this one, it says this is all to create texture and WinTag and the light brightness and stuff. That's all just programming for making it look like it does. The texture, and it's also emitting light. This bluish light in this room. That's where this is coming from. It's also coming from over here, I believe. Yeah. And so, if we go activate camera, the target will be S1, location will be S2. So remember that. Target S1, location S2. So if we go through here, cheat a little bit, because that's logic, and go down to the main offices, Oh, I just walked through it, guy. That's weird. If you look up in this corner, it's not actually a camera because there's no really way to see it. You wouldn't really notice it. But if we go to build mode, or if we just click on an object, it'll basically put us in build mode. And you can see this here. It's invisible normally because it's not a camera. It doesn't look very good up there. I mean, just a random bowl of chips up there. So anyway, it says solid no, visible no. That just makes it so you can't see it and you can't feel it. And name S2. So that was the location. So that's where you're looking from. That's your face up there. Imagine that as your face. And this other snack here is named S1. And S1, if you remember, was the target. So that's what you're looking at. And again, if you were to click that sign and you were looking from here, you could click on the snack and move it around and you look wherever it moved. So that's pretty much how cameras work. Anyway, thanks for watching how to use cameras.